How to order a Wise debit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can order a Wise debit card. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, to order a card, you need to add money to your Wise account. So there you can just tap on balances and then add to deposit funds if you haven't already. And here, once you're done with that, next go to the card section and you will see the option to order your card if you haven't done it yet. And now here, Wise gives you both digital and physical card option. The digital is issued instantly and is ready to use online, but to get a physical card you need to tap on order physical card, and now you need to enter your delivery address. So here, once you're done with everything, you just need to double check your details and Wise will ship the card directly to you. And delivery can take a few days depending on your country, and there is a small one-time fee for the card, so confirm the amount and select your funding source to pay. And that's it. You'll get a confirmation and you can track your card's delivery in the app. Once your card arrives, don't forget to activate it and set your PIN from the app. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.